Electricity is a form of energy that powers almost everything around us. From the lights in our homes to the devices we use every day, electricity makes many things work. But what exactly is electricity? At its core, electricity is the movement of tiny particles called electrons. Electrons are part of atoms which make up everything around us. When electrons move from one atom to another, they create an electric current. This electric current is what we call electricity. There are two main types of electricity. Static electricity. This happens when electric charges build up on the surface of an object. For example, when you rub a balloon on your hair, the balloon can stick to a wall. That's static electricity. Current electricity. This is the type of electricity that flows through wires to power devices. It's what comes from batteries, power plants, and outlets. Electricity flows through materials called conductors. Metals like copper and aluminum are good conductors because their electrons can move easily. On the other hand, insulators like rubber and plastic stop electricity from flowing. Electricity travels in circuits. A circuit is a complete path that electricity follows. If the path is broken, the electricity stops flowing and the device won't work. We use electricity every day for many things. Lighting up our homes and streets, powering appliances like refrigerators, TVs, and computers, charging phones and other gadgets, running machines in factories. Electricity is produced in different ways. Power plants can use coal, natural gas, water, wind, or the sun to generate electricity. Renewable sources like wind and solar are becoming more popular because they don't pollute the environment. Safety is important when dealing with electricity. Because it involves moving charges, electricity can be dangerous if not handled correctly. That's why electrical wires are covered in plastic, and why we avoid touching electrical devices with wet hands. In short, electricity is the movement of tiny particles called electrons. It flows through circuits and powers the world around us. It's a powerful energy source that makes modern life possible.